It is the same story every year. All it takes is a few showers for roads in our cities to turn into death traps, with several potholes making it a nightmare, especially for motorists and those on two-wheelers. Following inaction by civic authorities, the locals in Chennai have taken it upon themselves to rid the roads of potholes, saying that they would even go on a hunger strike if the authorities refuse to reconstruct these horrible pothole-ridden roads.
I'm right now standing in a place called Maduravayal on the Poonamali High Road, a very, very busy highway that connects Chennai and Bangalore. And as you can see over here, work is happening on this road. It's not just, these are not normal construction workers, but these are residents within the locality who have tried to raise concerns about the kind of roads that are being maintained over here, because they are not happy with the way the roads are being maintained. There are potholes all along this entire stretch of the Poonamali Highway. There have been serious accidents that have happened because of these potholes. Mainly bikers are the ones that are victims for these badly maintained roads over here. Local residents all along with other traders and nearby locality have all joined hands together and all have come to this solution to lay roads all by themselves, because the concerns that they've been raising to the state government or to the authorities have been falling on deaf ears. And since that, local residents together have joined hands and take matters in their own hands and try to lay roads by themselves. But earlier on 20th July, these residents were put behind bars by giving the reason that they were disrupting peace, and all that they wanted was good roads, and all that they wanted that the potholes be covered in time so that no accidents happen. Lots of lives have been lost because of such lackluster attitude and very lethargic approach towards this. On the other hand, right now they are trying to fill the potholes, because all the material that they bought to lay the roads were all confiscated by the local councillors, and also the local councillors are saying that there is a lot of blame game happening between the National Highways Authority of India and the state government, saying that the highway does not belong to them. But the local residents are not trying to, not giving it up very easily. They are continuing their fight, and they will continue the fight until they see this road well maintained, until they see the road completely done up.
So the public is getting every day, in a month there are 3 to 4 fatals happening in this 4 kilometers road. So he said, no, we can't do it. So we thought we joined all traders, welfare association, the residents welfare, lorry owners. We all joined and we started doing this work.
We want to do again our own work to finish this work. Otherwise, we'll have a hunger strike next our decision. So, but police authorities are cooperating, but they don't have any power. The power is with the National Highways Authority only, and the cooperation of the contractor. That the state government also must cooperate. But I think there is no cooperation between the state government and central government even now.